Afternoon, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. Back from the hospital or the doctor. Everything's fine. This hive here we're going to look at is a little 5-frame nuke, number 63 East Fence. And I started to take a look at it, and then I decided that we might need to check aboard this one. And we're going to show you the whole thing on this one because we're not going to stop. Take their top off. Take their feeder ring off. Yes, we got the smoker over here. Had to turn it upside down, so that means they haven't been getting any food. See, I don't feed them all the time. We have peppermint patty up here. Just in case. We're going to go down the side. I'll take this box and set it here. We'll pull this name tag off, which it ain't no more. And we're going to tie these over here. And we're going to put this one right here. This is the frame that we built. We'll put a date on it. Get away from me. Nine, 12. Okay. Girl, you ain't gonna like it. We're gonna take this one out, which come out of the freezer. Time of the day. These said they'd be working hard. But I took this frame out. And I found out that that's all laid up. Very little stores. This one over here on this side, and this is up against the wall. And this is on that side. Okay? We're going to stick it over here. Take this one out and see what we got here. Kind of dark back here in the hole today. We have eggs, we have brood, and we have larvae. See any bad bees? I don't do it. There's the queen. Right here. We're going to go and put her back over here too. We're going to stick that one in there. Take this one. One we just put in. This one has brood and larvae, and I imagine it's got queen too. I mean eggs too. The bugs. Okay. We're going to take it. We'll go ahead and stick this one in here. Oops. Let's put this back this way. Let's take this one out. Turn it around. Not a good place for that one though. Let's take and put this one here. Take this one because it's basically a honey frame. See where it's built out there on the sides? Okay. We're going to stick it in backwards. Put the funny side on the walls. There they go. Okay, this one we have a honey frame over here. Okay, and we're going to stick the honey frame right in the middle. Let them fill it out and grow it down. Just a super honey frame. We're going to give them sugar water because they got a lot of work they got to do to these frames, clean them up and everything. We'll give them a little piece of piling patty. Give them a couple pieces of peppermint. Yes, people, I do believe the peppermint. That one that had all the beetles in it and everything, larvae, had beetle larvae. It didn't have no beetles, maybe one or two. But that one, I didn't put any peppermint in because we do little experiment type things here too. To be their experiments, to other people they're not, I guess. To see if it works. People's asked me about it working and not working and everything. So I figured I'd just find out if it worked. That one didn't get any peppermint. Put your peppermint back up here. Give you a couple more. We're going to feed them this time. Take their food dish and stick back down here. Here you go. Take their feeder ring and stick it back down here where it goes. Give them some food. Get them some grass because they didn't have any. I didn't mean grass, I meant little pine straw. So they don't drown. And they're ready to be covered up again. And that's that one, people. This is hive number 63 East Fence. According to it, it's been, let's see, 11, 13, 12, 13, 14, 15 days ago we rented, 2 weeks. And that's what they did in 2 weeks. But, hope y'all enjoyed that. I'll show you something else to their holes. Now, some people leave the full thing open, but my small hives, we don't do that. See that place right there? That's the only place they got in and out. It keeps the bugs out. That one just went in with some pollen. Guard bees are just kind of guarding everybody else, keeping an eyeball on them. Yep, that's my girls. So I hope y'all enjoyed it. Leave us a comment. Keep forgetting it. I mean, losing it, don't I? There we go. Leave us a comment. Subscribe. Share. Give us a thumbs up. My bees are worth it. Y'all have a great day. You got any comments though now, you let me know.